Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to track your Remitly transfers. Remitly makes it easy to track your money transfers and gives you peace of mind. After you send a transfer, you can follow its progress in real time. The easiest way to track your transfer is through the Remitly app or on their website. Just log into your account. On the home screen, you'll see a list of your most recent transfers. Select the transfer you want to check to see its details and current status. The status will tell you if the money has been sent, is on its way, or has been delivered. You will also receive notifications about your transfer status. Remitly sends updates via email, text message, or push notifications through the app. These notifications let you know when your money is on the way and when it has been successfully delivered to your recipient. If you've chosen a cash pickup option, your recipient may also receive a text message when the funds are ready to be collected. If you ever have any questions about your transfer, you can always contact Remitly's customer support for help. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.